Alright guys, so one of the issues that we had when I first went to look at the car is that we put a hot battery in it and turned the key and nothing happened. So what ended up happening was, here's the ignition switch that came with the car. What was happening was, instead of actually turning the key, you see how it's frozen? It doesn't want to go anywhere unless you really kind of mess around with it. What was happening was the whole switch was just spinning whenever the key was being turned. And so what happened was we ended up finding another one in the trunk, and we threw that one in. So right now we're going to put a hot battery in it and see if it will at least turn over. This one is out of my Corvette. So we got the new ignition key in, got the battery hooked up. Let's see what happens when we turn the key. You ready? It turns over! Okay, that's about all I'm going to do on it right now. Considering that the spark plugs aren't all the way in and it's not, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. So it turns over with the key. That's good. Now we can put the ignition switch all the way back in. Alright, since we got the battery in, we can play around a little bit. Looks like we have a good headlight. Another good light. Here's the turn signal. Let's turn on the other turn signal and see what happens. Let's see. No, that one's not working. That's okay though. Alright, for tail lights, oh, we got a working tail light blinker. That blinks retarded. That one's working. License plate light working. Yeah, that one blinks. Coming back to life. Look at these cool indicators. That's where it blinks from. Horn doesn't work. Obviously the radio doesn't work. Do we dare try the windows? Nope, none of the windows work, but that's okay. I wonder what that's for. Who knows? Well, one step at a time, my friends, one step at a time. So I'm going to put the ignition key back together. And there it is. There's the ignition key. Turns. Back. Turns. Back. Off. And then they have accessory. And off. Turns, run, off. So, that's how it's supposed to look. So that's one thing fixed. So now the engine will turn over with the turn of the key, which it didn't do before. And that's a $0 fix. So one step closer and $0. So stay tuned.